Oh, buddy. He like laid into me. Like, just hold me, bro. Oh. Oh, buddy. Oh, that's a good boy, huh? Hey, it's okay. It's okay. So my dog freaks out with like cables and stuff because he's scared of getting entangled. Something must have happened to him at the puppy store before I bought him, because like when I first had him and I touched his paw, he like flipped out. So it's always been a thing with him. Like somebody must have fucked with him in the store or something at some point, which sucks. But it's been a thing ever since he was a baby. He doesn't like his paws touched. I can massage him after a while, like once he's calmed down and it's just us and he realizes like there's no cables around, no wires, no strings attached, and he's good. But yeah, that happens, man. It's so sad. He's a beautiful little boy. Olivia, thank you for the bits.